let's try this again. Welcome back, Monthly Knife Club fans and knife lovers, enthusiasts, whatnot. How's it going? So I was going to do an unboxing for our July box, which was drop number 134. However, we sold this box completely out, and that's been happening a lot to us. So I do have some of the knives left over, but the other items that came with it sold out, completely gone. First thing you would have seen in the box, the Ultimate box in particular, and the Premium and the Onyx plans come with this holographic sticker. It's just the Monthly Knife Club sprinkled donut. Sprinkled donut. And if you got like our tier 2 box or whatnot, you'd get a non-holographic version. It's still pretty neat. All right. So this would have also come with an Atwood Rope, USA made Android color shifting paracord. 550 strength, 550 tensile strength, 7-strand cord, UV and rot resistant, made in the USA. You also got a Gondek EDC Tactical Hank with a black and white topographic pattern. Then you would have got an Outdoor Edge Paraclaw, which is a paracord bracelet with a 1.5-inch Blackstone finish 8CR stainless steel blade. It's pretty neat. Coincidentally, a lot of the items in the box ended up being purple this month. It wasn't intentional. It just worked out that way. And everyone's like, oh, cool, you did a purple theme this month. Not purposefully. It just worked out that way. In fact, the middle tier knife this month was actually intended for another box. But a shipment from QSP was delayed, and that QSP ended up being the tier 2 the following month. But I digress. So let's start with, this was the primary knife. That's upside down. This ended up being the primary knife in the Premium box for July. This is a 1 of 300 Cicadas wing from Best Tech, or Best Techman. Best Tech, same thing. Best Tech reached out to me. I have a years-long, really good relationship with them. And they were like, hey, we have these limited edition run Cicadas wings. Would you like some for your boxes? I'm like, hells yeah, I would. So here they are. And it is in a purple and black. I don't know if you'd call that a Damascus pattern or not. It's 10CR. Super light. These Cicadas wings are super light. Like extremely lightweight. I forget what the exact weight is. Crossbar lock, drop shutty action. Gorgeous knife. Black PVD. 1 of 300. So if you were on the Premium or Ultimate plan in July, you receive this knife, this Cicadas wing. Sweet, right? Very sweet. Until you see the Ultimate knife of the month. So we got these from Artisan Cutlery. It's a white box artisan, meaning higher end, right? And you've probably seen some unboxings of these already because we have YouTubers that can't wait. Like, they are fast with their unboxings. And in fact, I try to let them go first. I think they do a more thorough job than we do. This is the Artisan Cutlery Darkwing. So that's anodized titanium, S35EN. Look at that blade. And look at the milling on the titanium. Gorgeous. This has a map value of $199. That's what the box costs. Well, at the time of the purchase, the box cost was $189. They've gone up to $199. But everyone that's paying $189 gets to keep paying $189 because we grandfathered them. I don't like raising, cost on customers. If we absolutely had to, we would, but I'm not a fan of that. drop shutty action, cage ceramic ball bearings. Just gorgeous. It has a front flipper, it has thumb studs, and then the thumb studs are also anodized. Frame lock. Let's look at the centering on it without cutting myself. Yeah, centered. Very nice. This has a $199 map value. MSRP is $266. The map value of the entire box was $313.83. The MSRP value of the box was $390.49. So, pretty cool this month. I'll probably do the unboxing of August in the next few days, but I think we're going to do unboxings of the Tier 2, the Onyx plan, the Onyx Plus plan as well. Sorry, very fidgety. This is an extremely fidgety, futuristic design. I really dig it. We have a sister company called monthlyedc.com. And if you're looking for an ultimate plan, I do believe we still have the price there at $189. Get it while you can, because it's not going to stay that price. Get it and get grandfathered. I would, if you're one of the 3 people that watch this video, because YouTube hates me, then I would get on that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. I love your feedback. I do. We really listen to feedback so that we can grow the company and make this as user-friendly, as knife community-friendly as we can. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye-bye.